Welcome to my channel Learn and Inspire. So this video is about class 8 mathematics chapter 3 constructions of quadrilaterals. So in the previous video we discussed about when the lengths of four sides and one angle are given. Now in this video we shall discuss about when the lengths of four sides and one diagonals are given. Okay, so we start exercise 3.2, question number 1. Here is the first question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters, BC is equals to 5.5 centimeters, CD is equals to 4 centimeters, AD is equals to 6 centimeters, and AC is equals to 7 centimeters. So these are the measurements to construct four sides and one diagonal. So all the sides are given. So before constructing, so we draw the rough diagram. So here is the rough diagram, ABCD and diagonal. So what is the diagonal here? AC is the diagonal. So before constructing this quadrilateral, first we need to construct a triangle ABC. Okay. So after that, with the C and with A as center, we can cut the arcs and we can join all these points. Okay. So let's start. The first point is draw a line segment AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters. So first we draw a line segment. AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters. So this is AB, 4.5 centimeters. Next one, with A as center of radius 7 centimeters, draw an arc. So with the help of compass of radius 7 centimeters, so I take 7 centimeters. Okay. So this is 7 centimeters with A as center. Draw an arc. Okay. Now the next step, with B as center, radius 5.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc. So we have to cut this arc by taking radius 5.5 centimeters. Okay, so I take 5.5 centimeters. So this is radius 5.5 centimeters with B as center. With B as center, cut the previous arc. Cut the previous arc and this intersecting point name as C. Okay. Now we can join AC and BC. Okay, so join AC and BC and write this measurement 7 centimeters and this is 5.5 centimeters. So understood? So first we have to construct a triangle ABC by taking line segment AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Then with A as center of radius 7 centimeters, draw an arc. Next step 3, with B as center of radius 5.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc and the intersecting point name as a C. Okay, so this is a triangle ABC. Now again, with A as center, of radius 6 centimeters, draw an arc. So with A as center, radius 6 centimeters. So I take a measurement of 6 centimeters. Okay, so this is 6 centimeters with A as center. Draw an arc. Okay, so this is 6 centimeters. So we have to draw an arc. Next, with the C as center of radius 4 centimeters, cut the previous arc. So we have to cut this previous arc by taking radius of 4 centimeters with the C as center. So I take 4 centimeters radius. Okay, this is 4 centimeters with the C as center of radius 4 centimeters, cut the previous arc and the intersecting point name as a D. Okay, now so we join AD and CD. So we join AD and CD. Now I write these measurements this is 4 centimeters, and this is 6 centimeters. Okay, so from this we can say that ABCD is a required quadrilateral. So from this measurements you can see 4 sides, AB, BC, CD and AD are 4 sides, and one of the diagonal is AC. Okay, so AC is a diagonal. Understood? Now we write the steps of construction. So what is the first step to write? Step 1, draw a line segment. AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Okay, so we have to draw a line segment. AB is equals to 4.5 centimeters. Step 2, with A as center of radius 7 centimeters, with A as center of radius 7 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, so with A as center of radius 7 centimeters, draw an arc. Step 3, with B as center, with B as center of radius 5.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc. Cut previous arc and the intersecting point. Intersecting point name as C. So we have to name it as a C. Step 4, what we write after intersecting points? So we have to join AC and BC. So join AC and BC, then we can form a triangle. Okay, so step 5, with A as center, with A as center of radius 6 centimeters, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Next step, with C as center of radius 4 centimeters, cut the previous arc and the intersecting point. Intersecting point name as D. Steps. Next step 7 is join. So what we have to join? AD and CD. Join AD and CD. Okay, the last step, as we know, ABCD is a required quadrilateral. ABCD is required quadrilateral. So understood how to construct with the help of 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So first we need to construct a triangle. After that, with the help of points, we can draw the remaining measurements. Okay, so this is question number 1. Now let's see the second question. Question number 2, construct a quadrilateral with PQ is equals to 3.5 centimeters, QR is equals to 4 centimeters, RS is equals to 5 centimeters, PS is equals to 4.5 centimeters, and QS is equals to 6.5 centimeters. Okay, so from these measurements, first we need to draw the rough diagram. Okay, so rough diagram. Here is the rough diagram. So we can see here PQ is equals to 3.5, QR is equals to 4 centimeters, RS is equals to 5, PS is equals to 4, and the diagonal QS is equals to 6.5. Okay, so first what we have to construct? We have to construct a triangle PQS. Okay, first we have to construct a triangle PQS. So let us start. First step is draw a line segment. PQ is equals to 3.5. So 3.5 centimeters. PQ is equals to 3.5 centimeters. PQ is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Now what is step 2? So we start from P, 4.5 centimeters. Draw an arc with the P as center, 4.5 centimeters. With P as center of radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay. Next step 3, with Q as center of radius 6.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc. So we have to cut this arc by taking radius of 6.5 centimeters with the Q as center. Okay, so I take a measurement of 6.5 centimeters. So here is 6.5, exact 6.5. So with the Q as center of radius 6.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc. Okay, and the intersecting point name as S. Now we can join PS and QS. Join PS and QS. So this is 6.5 centimeters and this is 4.5 centimeters. Okay, on the next step we can start at Q. Q as center 4 centimeters. So we have to draw an arc. So take 4 centimeters radius. So this is 4 centimeters with the Q as center of radius 4 centimeters. Draw an arc. Okay, now from point S, so already we have intersected this point and named as S. So from center S of radius 5 centimeters, we can cut this arc. Okay, take 5 centimeters radius, 5 centimeters radius with this S as center, cut the previous arc and the intersecting point name as R. Okay, now we can join QS and RS. So join QS and RS and mention the measurements. QR is equals to 4 centimeters and RS is equals to 5 centimeters. Now you can see this is a quadrilateral PQRS and with one diagonal QS as a diagonal. Okay, so now we write the steps of constructions. Steps of constructions. Okay, so what is step 1? Draw a line segment. PQ is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Now step 2, with P as center of radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, now step 3, with Q as center of radius 6.5 centimeters, cut the previous arc and intersecting point name as S. So here we have named it as a S. Okay, now fourth step is join PS and QS. So we have to join PS and QS. Okay, now step 5, with Q as center of radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, now so here we have drawn arc and we cannot draw an arc with the help of this point, so we can start at the point S. With S as center of radius 5 centimeters, cut the previous arc. cut the previous arc and intersecting point name as a R. Okay, next step. So we have to join QR and SR. So we have to join these 2 points QR and SR. Okay, step 8. PQRS is required quadrilateral. Understood? So this is the second question by constructing 4 sides, 1 diagonal. So I hope you might have understood. So in the next video, so we shall continue the remaining 2 constructions. So if you have any doubts related to this constructions, please message me in the comment box. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.